guys, it's your Fair, and today I'm going to be doing a squishy package. I'm going to be being a squishy scammer. So this is not a real video. This is just a fake one. This is just a spoof, as they like to say. So yeah, I'm going to be pretending to be a squishy scammer. So let's get into the video. Oh my god. So I just got a package. Somebody just ordered a package. And let's see what they ordered. Which squishies they ordered. Let's open up the letter. Sorry guys, it's over here. Okay, so it's in this little metal container. Let's look at it. It says, "Hi, I would like one rainbow tiger squishy, one pink swirl squishy, and one green jelly squishy." Okay, so they want a rainbow tiger squishy, a pink swirl squishy, and a green jelly squishy. And of course I'm going to put the extras in it too. So first, for the rainbow tiger squishy, this is my rainbow tiger squishy. This is the one that was on my page. It's really slow rising. And it has nice colors on it, but it has a bunch of defects on it, so I don't really want it anymore, so I'm just going to give it to her, because it has a bunch of defects on it. One second, guys. Okay. The next squishy she wanted was the pink swirl squishy, which I have. Which I actually don't have. I don't have one of those. That was just fake. But I have this little poop that's hollow. It came with this dough in the middle of it. And I bought it. I got it for Christmas. And yeah, it's not really squishy. It's a hole in it, obviously. And it's just like, has no bottom. But I think I can do something to fix that problem. I'm going to fill it with something. I don't know what. I don't really have anything to fill it with. Here we go. Here's a little blanket for a doll. I'm just going to stuff a blanket in there. And this pillow and this other blanket. And these things are for Barbies, just so you know. Okay. Stuff it in there. Okay, there we go. So now it's falling out. Now it's sort of squishy, and I have the bottom right here, so I think if I just stick the bottom back on, no one will know. So if I just squish it, she won't know that's there like that. So I think that's good. I'm going to give her this poop squishy. That's good. And then she wanted a green jelly squishy. I have these jelly squishies that I keep in here, and there's a green one right there, which is good. I actually have 2 green jelly squishies. Here's one of them. It's one of the jelly ones. So yeah, that's good. So I'm gonna get a box now and put all her squishies in it. 3 squishies, these 3 squishies right here. And she actually wanted scented squishies, so this one isn't scented. It actually smells really bad. So I have this perfume and I'm just gonna spray it. Just rub it. It should smell better. See, there's a little defect right here. I'm just gonna spray perfume into that. Then the squishy will smell nice. Good, good. Now the squishy smells good. And I'm just gonna spray a little bit on this one, just for a good smell, and a little bit on this one, just for the good smell. Now for the box. I don't really have a lot of nice boxes around. Oh. Here we go. Here's a box. Here's a good box. It's actually for plants. That's why there's like 4 right here. But I got it when I was like 3 years old. So I'll just put her squishies in it. And of course, can't forget about the extras. So this little capsule thingy is a ring. Not that ring though. So it has this, you know, those like jelly stick hands things. It has 2 of those. I'm just gonna give her that. And then I'm gonna give her this little butterfly ring and a little container. Put that in their box. And then I'm gonna give her this little this kind of squishy thing. Yeah, I'm just gonna give her this. One more extra, and then I'll give her the letter, and then yeah, it'll just be good. I just have to clean up a little. That's why I'm like not being in the camera a lot. One more extra. Here we go. A little golf ball that has writing all over it. So there we go. There's all her things in it. I'm gonna write her a letter, and then I'm gonna deliver it, and then she'll be back to open it, and I'll be watching that video. Okay, bye guys. I'm gonna go deliver it. It's me. I got a package. Oh my god. I got a package. I'm gonna be opening it today. My glasses. They're a little dirty. Keep my glasses. There we go. I got this squishy package today. It looks pretty big. The box is a reasonable size. It looks like it has a lot of things in it. And I've never seen a box like this. So that's pretty cool. Okay, let's get into it. The first thing I'm gonna open is the extras. Yeah, I think I have 3 extras in here. I'm gonna look at this first. Ooh, this is cute. It's like a little squishy. That's so cute. Excuse me. Get in my glasses holder. Get in your holder. Good. Okay. The next extra is this. It is I forgot what this is called. Oh, it's a golf ball. That's good. And then I got this little capsule thingy. 2 squishies. Is this my green? It's a little dirty. This is my green jelly squishy. It's definitely a jelly. It's really sticky and it's nice. So that's good. Is this my pink swirl squishy? Oh my god, I need to put the glasses on for this one. So it's pretty nice. Pretty good, pretty good. Last squishy. This one I've been waiting for. It's here, glasses off for this one. It's a rainbow tiger squishy, cat squishy. It's all of the above. It's a little scratched on the bottom. It has a little bit of scrapes, but it says it was scented, so that smells really good. I think I'll give this, I think I paid my money's worth. I think this was good. This was a pretty good squishy package. I think that was worth all the money I spent.